Welcome to Math is Beautiful. In this video, we find out where sine and cosine really come from. A point walking around the unit circle, whose coordinates turn out to run all of trigonometry. What is the unit circle, and where do sine and cosine really come from? Not from a table of values, from a walk. Here is the unit circle. Radius 1, centered at the origin O. Start on the positive x-axis and walk anticlockwise through an angle theta, arriving at P. The radius out to P has length 1, that is what unit circle means. Now the definition, and it really is just this. The cosine of theta is defined as P's x-coordinate, the orange shadow P casts on the floor, nothing else. Cosine answers, how far across did the walk take you? And the sine of theta is defined as P's y-coordinate, the red height above the floor. Sine answers, how high did the walk take you? 2 coordinates, 2 names, that is all sine and cosine are. But where did the familiar triangle ratios go? Drop the perpendicular from P, a right triangle, hypotenuse 1. Adjacent over hypotenuse is cos over 1, cos. The old ratios with the dividing already done. Keep the point on the side. Apply our parked Pythagorean theorem. Legs cos and sine, hypotenuse 1. Cos squared plus sine squared equals 1, trigonometry's most used identity, and it is just Pythagoras in circle clothes. This is important. Now the circle pays its dividend. Triangles cannot hold an angle past 90 degrees, the walk can. At 120 degrees, the point Q sits in the left half, x negative, so cosine went negative. Nothing breaks. Keep walking forever, and the coordinates rise, fall, and repeat every full turn. That is why sine and cosine make waves. They are simply the diary of a walking point. Now let's look at an application of this concept. Read cosine and sine at 90 and at 180 degrees, straight off the circle. No triangle needed, just place the walker. A quarter turn, 90 degrees, puts P at the very top of the circle. Straight up from the center, 0 across, 1 up. Now read the parked definition. Cosine is the x-coordinate, 0. Sine is the y-coordinate, 1. Values that trip up almost everyone, read off a picture in 2 seconds. Keep walking to half a turn, 180 degrees. P lands on the far left of the circle. 1 step backward from the center, -1 across, 0 up. Read again, cosine -1, sine 0. The minus sign is not a special rule, it is just where the walker is standing. So sine and cosine are coordinates, not incantations. A point walks a circle, and trigonometry is just its diary. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like it, subscribe to Math is Beautiful, and share it with your friends.